Hello students, welcome to the maths class. Students, in chapter time, we have already done topics write in words, write in figures, and change 12-hour clock time to 24-hour clock time and vice versa. Today, I will discuss with you topics convert hours into minutes, convert minutes into seconds, and convert weeks into days. To understand these topics, let's take some examples. Convert into minutes. Now students, statement is given 5 hours and we have to convert this 5 hours to minutes. Students, in 1 hour, there are always 60 minutes. So, in 5 hours, there will be 5 multiplied by 60 minutes. That means, students, whenever we have to convert hours into minutes, we will multiply the given number with 60. So, let's do multiply. 60 multiply by 5. 5 zeros are. Yes, students, 5 zeros are. Yes, 0. 5 zeros are 0. 5 6 are 30. Very good. 5 6 are 30. So, answer is 300 minutes. Students, statement was given in hours and we have converted that statement into minutes. So that means in 5 hours there are 300 minutes. Let's take one more example. 11 hours 3 minutes. Now students, you can see in this statement 2 units are given. One is hour and one is minute. So, we have to convert this complete statement into minutes. But students, 3 is already in minutes. So, that means we have to convert this 11 hours. Again, in 1 hour, there are 60 minutes. So, in 11 hour, there will be 11 multiplied by 60. 11 multiplied by 60 minutes. Now, let's do multiply. 60 multiplied by 11. Now, students, you can see there are 2 digits. That means double multiply will be there. First of all, we will multiply this one with complete number. Then, we will multiply this one with complete number. Now, let's do the multiply. 1 zeros are 0. 1 6 are 6. Now students, this is double multiply. So that means we will put one cross. Now we will multiply this one with complete number, that is by 60. Let's do multiply. 1 zeros are 0. 1 6 are 6. Next step is do addition. Here 0 will come. 6 plus 0 is 6 and this 6 will come down. So answer is 660 minutes. Students, but we have converted this 11 hours into minutes. Students, but 3 minutes is left. So what we will do with this 3 minutes? We will add this 3 minutes in the answer of 11 hours. Converted 11 hours into minutes. We will add 3 minutes in that. Now let's do addition. 0 plus 3 is 3. Here 6 will come and here 6 will come. So answer is 663 minutes. Now students, let's understand how to convert minutes into seconds. convert into seconds. Students, statement is given 3 minutes and we have to convert this in seconds. Students, in 1 minute there are 60 seconds. So in 3 minutes there will be 3 multiplied by 60 seconds. Now for answer, let's do multiply. 60 multiply by 3. 3 zeros are 0. 3 6 are 18. So answer is 180 second. Students, this means in 3 minutes there are 180 seconds. Now let's take one more example. 10 minute 12 second. Now students, you can see there are 2 units, minutes and seconds, and we have to convert this complete number into seconds. Students, 12 is already in seconds, so no need to change 12 seconds. We will change 10 minutes into seconds. In 1 minute, there are 60 seconds. So in 10 minutes, there will be 10 multiplied by 60 seconds. Now, let's do multiply. 60 multiplied by 10. Now students, you can see there are 2 digits. That means we will do double multiply. First of all, we will multiply 0 with the complete number, and then we will multiply this one with the complete number. Let's do multiply. 0 zeros are 0. 0 6 are 0. Because it is double multiply, so we will put one multiply sign or cross sign here. Now let's do multiply with 1. 1 zeros are 0. 1 6 are 6. Next step is do addition. 0. 0 plus 0 is 0 and this 6. So that means students, in 10 minutes there are 600 seconds. But 12 seconds left. What we will do with this 12 second? We will add this 12 second in 600 seconds. So let's do addition. 0 plus 2, that is 2. 0 plus 1, that is 1. And 6 as it is. So answer is 612 seconds. That means in 10 minutes 12 seconds there are 612 seconds. So students, today we have learnt how to convert hours into minutes and minutes into seconds. I hope these topics are clear to you, and now you are able to do the related homework that we have sent to you in your SNAP homework. But students, before starting the homework, please go through the YouTube links that are mentioned in your SNAP homework. Have a nice day. Thank you.